Hello, Mr. My name is Alfred Mario Conta Gutierrez. Today I'm going to talk about Robert Downey Jr. He is an actor who represents the character of Iron Man. He was born in Manhattan, New York on April 4, 1965. Actually, he is an American actor, producer, and singer. When he was a child, he studied at Santa Monica High School. At the age of 5, he made his acting debut. He used to act with recognized actors since he was a child. He won important awards for Best Actor. He had a fantastic life when he was younger, but he was upset when he was arrested by two drugs charges. Sadly, he used to use drink when he was twins, but he has maintained his sobriety since 2003. His parents were actors too. He had a sad life because his father was a drink addict and he allowed him use drugs since he was 6. He acted in several films and got a lot of awards. His most important film was Iron Man. This character is very different to the real character. Iron Man was a superhero with supernatural powers, but he is only limited by his imagination. He was business magnate, playboy, and ingenious scientist. In some occasions, he was injured during a kidnapping. He was very nervous by that incident, so his captor forced him to build a weapon of mass destruction, so he was worried for the humanity and he didn't do this, so he intends create a machinist suit of armor to save his life and escape capitally. When he used to wear his suit, he was excited to protect the world as Iron Man.